My dear brothers and sisters, to learn to travel light is an invitation for us to learn to live more simply, to do away with any extra baggage in life, and to be less concerned with material possessions. I remember somebody who said, baggage is a handicap for a person with a mission. Baggage is a handicap for a person with a mission. And finally na talaga, the challenge of the gospel is do away with life's clutter. Clutter. You know what's clutter? Clutter. Do away with life's clutter. Cremate whatever is not essential and cremate whatever is unnecessary. Because the bottom line is this: